In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most graceful, my dear students in Bit 4, welcome back again to our final revision in the second term in math, part 1, okay? As we did in science, so we have two parts in the revision of math. Today we will discuss part 1 for the lessons 1 and 2 and 3 in the worksheet number 1 and for lesson 4 and 5 in worksheet number 2, okay? So let's discuss. This is the answer of final revision part 1 of lessons 1, 2, 3 of second term math. Our lessons, negative numbers, page 22 and 23, number sequence, page 24 and 5, and tenths 1, page 26 and 27, okay? So if you'd like to follow me, you can open your box for these three lessons, or you can just only follow me in this final revision in these worksheets, because our exam inshallah will be from these worksheets 1 and 2 in part 1 and 3 and 4 in part 2, okay? So our first question match, we would like to match these this sequence of numbers, 5 followed by 10 followed by 15 followed by 20. So this is, if you see here, you will find that it's plus 5. It increases by 5 numbers. So 5 plus 5 equal 10, plus 5 equal 15, plus 5 equal 20. You got it? Number 2, 22 becomes 18, and now becomes 14, and now becomes 10. So it proceeds or increases or decreases. Very good. It decreases, but it decreases by 10 or decreases by 4? It decreases by 4. Very good. So it's minus 4 or negative 4. So we will match A here and B here. Okay. What about C? 50, it becomes 40, 30, 20. So now it also increase or decrease. تزداد ولا تقل يا شباب؟ تقل. Very good. Decrease by what? By 10. So we will match C here. 14 becomes 17. Now it decreases or increases? Increases. Very good. By what? By 3. Good. And here 0.1 equals 10 over 10 or 1 over 10? Very good. It equals 1 over 10. And here now it's 1 here before the point and 0. So 1 means that 10 over 10. Very good. Now, second question complete. 35 becomes 30, becomes 25, becomes 20. So this sequence, it also increase or decrease? It decreases. Very good. تقل يا شباب بمعدل قديش؟ 5. So these are all multiples of هذه يا شباب الأرقام مضاعفات رقم كام؟ Number 5. Very good. So the word multiples means مضاعفات. And the pattern, النمط اللي ماشي بيه this sequence, هذا التتابع, is plus 5 or negative 5? Negative 5. بتقل بمعدل 5 أرقام, so it's negative 5. Good. And here now, minus 3 or negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, and 1. Because as we said, it increased, تزداد بمعدل 1 or plus 1. Here the last question in C, 6.5 pizzas means 6 pizzas and a half. So it equals 6 whole pizza and a half of a pizza. Okay? Very good. And now question number 3. Answer. You are in a building on floor 5. انت في مبنى شباب في الطابق الخامس. You want to go down 3 floors. وعايز تنزل 3 طوابق. On which floor will you go down? يا ترى. You are on floor 5 and you want like to go down, تنزل 3 floors. So you will be on floor number 2. What about page 2? The last worksheet of our final revision part 1 today. As we said, it's answer of final revision part 1 on the lesson 4 and 5. Because we have 10 lessons in the second term for math. So today we will discuss also 4 and 5. And next time, inshallah, we will discuss lessons from 6 to 10. Okay? So, the lesson number 4 is called 10th, part 2, page 28 and 29, and 101, page 30 and 31. Okay? So, here we would like to match the same measurement. عايزين نوصل يا شباب نفس القياسات. Okay? So, when we say 0.3, it equals what? 3 over 10. It's a fraction, 3 over 10. 3 على 10 يا شباب. Okay, 0.5, it will be the same. So 5 over 10. Good. What about 0.9? It's 9 over 10. And the last one, 0.6, it's what? 6 over 10. It's very easy. So this is called decimals and this is called fractions. Okay, هذه الأرقام العشرية and this is الكسور. Good. What about here? Put these decimals in order from smallest to greatest. رتبوا يا شباب الأرقام العشرية هذه من الأصغر للأكبر. 1.7, 1.9, 1.6, 1.8. It will become from smallest to greatest. We will start from the smallest one, 1.6, and then 1.7, 1.8, and 1.9. Good. The last question of today. He said count the number of hundredth here. This hundredth. We said before the difference between hundred and hundredth. When we have th, mean that we have 0 point and a number over 100. Okay, so we would like to count all these squares, shaded squares here. If you count with me, 1 2 3 4, and here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So 4 times 10 4 4 شباب, it's 40, and we have also extra 4, 1 2 3 4, so it will be 44. So here we have the number 44 hundredth, 44 من 100 يا شباب, so it will become 0.44. It's in another form. Good. The last question. Write the decimal number. 5 whole letters plus 3/10 of a letter plus 800th of a letter. 5 لتر وعليهم يا شباب plus 3 من 10 من اللتر و8 من 100 من اللتر. Okay, so when we add, لما نجمع 5 plus 3/10 and 800th, it will become 5.38. 5.38. Okay, letters. We have finished the first part of our final revision in math. Inshallah, next time we will discuss the last part, part number 2 in the final revision for the second term in math for grade 4. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye.